Good morning, children. Welcome to Max class. What's our last week class? Simultaneous linear equation. And you have done the test last week, isn't it? Okay. So, shall we revise from the beginning? Now, very first beginning, what we have saw? Yes, we saw that linear equation in two variables. First, our topic is what? In the beginning, we saw linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. What is the meaning for linear equation in two variables, ma? Yes, if the degree of the equation, if the degree of the equation in two variables is is one, then we can say, what is that? It is linear equation in two variable. It is linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Just we have to remember the variables has a degree what? 1. Degree means order, power, everything will be 1. That is the highest power will be 1. And you can say an example for degree of the linear equation in two variable. So what is the general equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here what is the degree of x and y? Both are containing, what is the degree? 1. Highest power is 1. Therefore this is an example for linear equation in one variable. Then what are the ideas we saw in linear equation in two variables, ma? First one, what is the idea? That is, the better way of understanding the linear equation in one variable is, what is the better way of understanding? The better way of understanding is, yes, understanding linear equation in one variable is, linear equation in two variable is, yes, geometric visualization. Geometric visualization means geometric visualization. Yes. What's that, ma? It is nothing but what? It is nothing but a graphical method. So it is a graphical method. Graphical way or graphical method, everything is same only. Graphical method. And you know that what is the graph of the linear graph? What is the graph of the linear equation? Very good. It is a straight line. It is nothing but a straight line. So what is the third point? The graph of the linear equation is a straight line. Graph of the linear equation is a nothing but a straight line. Is a straight line. And this week onwards, in the evening, you are having the test in quizzes.com, and most of the questions will be in your video itself we are going to take. So please kindly note down this point and take in your notebook and write out all the points. Then you have to prepare for your quizzes.com test. Okay, ma? Then now this is the idea for linear equation in two variables. Just you have to keep in your mind the degree of the two variables in your equation is 1. Then we can say it is a linear equation in two variable. And what is the general form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And what is the way of understanding this linear equation is? It is nothing but a geometric visualization, that is a graph. And how the graph will be? It is not a curve. It will be a straight line. The graph of a linear equation must be always a straight line. Next our topic is, already you have done this and you have done the problem in exercise 3.1 first Roman we have finished, and we have started simultaneous linear equation also, and I have given the examples also. Now we are going to that our topic, this week topic. Okay, simultaneous linear equation. Next topic is, so next, simultaneous linear equation. What is the meaning? The simultaneous, simul means what? Simultaneous means occur at the same time, isn't it? Simultaneous linear equation equation consists of what? Consists of two or more linear equations. Is very good. Two or more linear equations. Two or more linear equations. Linear equation na two variables வந்து கன்சிடர் ஆயிருக்கும் ஓகேவா பட் simultaneous linear equation na இது linear equations எத்தனை இருக்கும் two or more இருக்கும் ஓகேவா it consists of two or more two linear equations with the same variable ஓகேவா okay with the same variables just you give one example for me it's very good shall we take like this yes we can write like this that is ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to 0. This is one variable and second one ax2 plus by2 plus c1 c2 also you can take. Okay. So it contains what? Same variables. Variables are same and x1, y1, x2, y2. Otherwise you can say like that also. a1, b1, a2, b2, x1, y1. Or here also a2 x1 plus b2 y1 also you can say it contains the same variables. Okay. Then next point is if we solve these two equations. If we solve two equations in the form of that is what form of the simultaneous linear equation. If we solve these simultaneous equation or these equation we will get a ordered pair. Ordered pair means it will contain two ordinates. One is x ordinate and another one is y ordinate. So if we solve this equation we will get a ordered pairs. And these ordered pairs and these ordered pair of solutions or these ordered pairs solve both these equations. That is what is the meaning? If you solve these two equations, இந்த ரெண்டு equations நம்ம solve பண்ணா நமக்கு ஒரு solution கிடைக்கும். அந்த solution of அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னா ordered pair. That is x, y கிடைக்கும். அந்த x, y நீங்க solve பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த x, y இந்த ரெண்டு equationையும் satisfy பண்ற மாதிரி வரும்னு சொல்றாங்க. That is and these ordered pairs solve both these equations. அந்த ரெண்டு equationsையும் solve பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரே answer கிடைக்கிறதா நமக்கு என்ன சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா simultaneous linear equationோட solution. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம இதுல பார்க்க போறது ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம் பார்த்தா தான் உங்களுக்கு இது புரியும். ஓகேவா? So நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் உங்க புக் எக்ஸாம்பிள் தான். Example 3.43 check whether 5, minus 1 is a solution of the simultaneous linear equations x minus 2y equal to 7 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. They have given the ordered pair. Okay, they have given the ordered pair and you have to check this ordered pair is satisfying this equations. How to check the satisfaction? Nothing but you have to substitute in this equation and if you are getting the same answer for both means we can say and it is a solution for both the equations. Okay, now take a first equation x minus 2y equal to 7. Okay, now what are the points we are going to take here? When x is equal to 5 and y equal to minus 1. Here you write substitute in this equation or substitute x is equal to 5 also you can write here. Okay, here we are taking the first equation and write a substitute equation number 1 x is equal to 5 and y equal to minus 1. Okay, now first one, what is x value? 5 amma. So how the equation will become? 5 minus 2 into minus 1 equal to 7. Okay, so 5 minus into minus. 2 ones are 2. So minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 equal to 7. Now 7 equal to 7. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS answer RHS answer 7. LHS ல substitute பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வந்தது? X ல 5 y ல -1 substitute பண்ணா LHS RHS equal ஆயிடுச்சா? Okay, இது satisfy ஆயிடுச்சு. Next, இதே answer இதுக்கு வருதான்னு பார்க்கலாம் second one. Now here you substitute 2x plus 3y equal to 7. So what is the x value? Is very good, 5. So 2 into 5 plus 3 into -1 is equal to 7. 5 2s are 10 minus plus 3 into -1 -3 equal to 7. So 7 equal to 7. Therefore, the given ordered pair satisfies both the equation. Therefore, it is a solution. Here, therefore, the given ordered pair, what is the ordered pair here? 5, -1 satisfies both the equation. Satisfies both the simultaneous linear equation. You write like that. Satisfies both the equations. Therefore, it is a solution. It is a solution to both the equation. Therefore, it is a solution to both the equations. This is a book sum only. Example number 3.43. You note it out and work out in your fair notebook. Thank you, children. Next topic. Okay, next we are going to move methods of solving simultaneous linear equation. So what are the methods we can able to solve? Here there are two methods. The first one is geometric way. Here I am going to make a tabular column. And second one is algebraic way. Second one is what? Algebraic way. We should know in what are the ways we can able to solve. Here, this lesson we are following only geometric method, but next exercise we are going to see other algebraic ways. So, for this, the first way means geometric way means it is nothing but a graphical method. What method? Graphical method. Here only the geometric way of solving simultaneous linear equation is only graphical method. And here 3 methods. First one is substitution method. Substitution method. Second one is, that is substitution method means we are going to substitute the values for x and y. Now we have done, isn't it? That example. That is called substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Here we are going to first eliminate one variable. Then we will find the value of one variable and we are going to substitute that element value to the another one and we are finding the next variable. That is called elimination method. These you have studied in your 8th standard, isn't it? And third one is cross multiplication method. So, in this 3 way, we can able to solve simultaneous linear equation in algebraic way. But now we are doing in graph means that is a geometric way. So how many methods? Totally there are 4 methods of solving simultaneous linear equation. Okay. Simultaneous linear equation la next number paaka poradhu some special terminology. What does mean by terminology means? Here in how many ways we are going to get the answers. We are solving simultaneous linear equations. We are not only getting one single solution. We are getting 3 types of lines here because we are solving linear equations. So, they will give 3 types of lines. And what are the lines will be, how the lines will be and how is our solution will be. That we are going to discuss now. Suppose if you are solving that 2 straight lines and you are making the 2 straight lines, you are plotting the 2 straight lines in a graph and if you are getting intersecting lines in the graph. After solving that and you are making the lines into the graph means if you are finding the 2 graphs are intersecting because that simultaneous linear equation means both will be what? Straight lines only. Suppose the 2 straight lines are intersecting each other at a point. One point means we can say this system of linear equation has only one single solution. If they are intersecting means only you will be getting one single solution. Okay. Then Suppose you are getting parallel lines. Parallel lines means they never meet each other. So we are unable to find the solution. So here we are going to say in this case, no solutions at all for simultaneous linear equation. Suppose you are getting coinciding lines. That is, one line you are getting first, then next second line also lying on the same line means here we are saying here we will have infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution or unlimited solutions. Okay, so how many ways we are getting more? 3 ways we are getting. One way is the intersecting line means only we will have one single solution, and suppose we are getting parallel line means there is no solution. Suppose you are getting 2 lines are coinciding means it will have infinitely many solution. Understand? Then based on this we are going to define what type of system this is. Okay, that is, suppose if intersecting line means, therefore if you are getting intersecting line, that is one single solution means if the system of linear equation gives one single solution means what is the name of this system is consistent system. What is that? We can say the system is a consistent. 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 Stable now. Consistent means stable. And suppose it has no solution means if you are solving system of linear equation, you are getting parallel lines means this is called inconsistent. This system is called what's the consistent? Inconsistent system. Okay, then again you are getting infinitely many solution also. It is called, this system of linear equation is also called what system? Consistent. Next we are going to see in our second Roman, we are going to define is it a consistent or how many solutions, that and all we are going to define. Before that you have this knowledge about this. Okay, thank you. So what are the types? Consistent and inconsistent. Which one it is, for which one the system is consistent? For intersecting line and coinciding line we can say it is a consistent system. For parallel line it is a inconsistent system. Thank you children. Next we will go to exercise 3.10 directly. Okay, exercise 3.10 la second Roman, solve graphically. So நம்ம first Roman draw the graph of மட்டும் கொடுத்தாங்க. ஏன்னா அது linear equation ஓட graph. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்துட்டாங்க? Solve graphically. அப்பனா என்ன meaning? Graphல நம்ம வந்து straight lines make பண்ணி solution find out பண்ணணும். அதுதான் meaning. Solve நாவே x and y ஓட value find out பண்ணணும். We have to find the value of x and y where? In graphical method only we are going to find. Okay, first is what? X plus y equal to 7. And second equation is x minus y equal to 3. First you take x plus y equal to 7. Okay, we will substitute one value, then we will find the answer. First I am going to take when x is equal to 1. What is y value? What is y value ma? 1 plus y equal to 7 na? X is equal to 1 na? Then y equal to 7 minus 1, y equal to 6. Okay, next when x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 means you will be getting what? 2 plus y equal to 7 na? Y equal to 7 minus 2 in substitution method is the answer. Okay va? 5 va? Okay, இதே மாதிரி மிஸ் போட்டுட்டே இருக்கேன் பாருங்க. Okay, next when x is equal to 3, what you are getting? Y equal to 4. X is equal to 4 means y becomes 3. X is equal to 5 means y equal to 2. Now we are going to make the table. Okay, substitute the values. So here you write x value, y value and make it the table. So what are the values we have taken for x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we got the answers. Here I had written the answer. Okay, first you copy this in your fair notebook. Now I am going to solve x minus y equal to 3. That value we will see now. Okay, now I had done x minus y equal to 3. And here I have substitute the values. X is equal to 1 means y equal to minus 2. X is equal to 2 means y equal to minus 1. X is equal to 3 means y equal to 0. X is equal to 4 means y equal to 1. And x is equal to 5 means I am getting the value y equal to 2. Now you make the table. Already we are having one table. This is the table for x plus y equal to 7. And this is the table for x minus y equal to 3. And now you look at the tables ma. Is there any common points? Yes, very good. X is equal to 5 means in first table also we are getting x is equal to 5 means y equal to 2. In second table also X is equal to 5 means y equal to 2. So from the table itself we have understood what is the solution for these two equations. When x is equal to 5, y equal to 2. That is 5 comma 2 is the solution. Shall we check it in the graph now? Okay, now copy in your fair notebook. Then we will go to the graph now. Okay, 1 minute you copy all of you. Okay, now I had made the graph for this. For x plus y equal to 7, x minus y equal to 3. First you have to do the scale. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Here I made the graph x axis and y axis. And I have plotted the points for x plus 1 and x minus y equal to 3. And you see the two straight lines are meeting at the point where 5 comma 2. In the table itself I have told you they are having the common point of 5 comma 2. So here also see this is the line x plus y equal to 7 and x minus y equal to 3. When you make the point and flat it and you make a straight line means they are meeting at a what point? 5 comma 2. So we can say this is a one single solution. It has one single solution. These two are intersecting line. Therefore the system is what system? Consistent system. Okay, the graph itself you have to write one single solution. This is a consistent system and you write the equation of the straight line x plus y equal to 7, x minus y equal to 3. Okay, then you should use pencil. Here we are using black pen means you can't able to see that. That's what it has to be visible. That's what I am doing like this, but you have to use only pencil only to do the graph. Okay, so you flat the points and make it in your graph notebook. Send me as your homework. Thank you children. Next sum we will do now. Thank you ma. Exercise 3.10 second Roman second sum. Solve graphically. 3x plus 2y equal to 4 and 9x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Now this is first you have to convert into y equal to mx plus c form. So 2y equal to 4 minus 3x. Then y equal to 4 by 2 minus 3x. 3 by 2 of x. Okay. So this cancel pannunga enna varum. So y equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 of x. This is the standard form of the straight line. That is now we have converted into, this is in the form of ax plus by equal to minus c form. Now we have converted this into, that is y equal to mx plus c form. So 2y equal to 4 minus 3x and you take the 2 to the denominator, cancel it, you are getting here. And now you go to the next, here they have given the second one, 9x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So as you write in mx plus c form y equal to mx plus c. So you will be having, that is 6y equal to minus 9x plus 12. Minus 9x plus 12. Otherwise you can write like this. 6y equal to 12 minus 9x. Okay. So divide by 3 table. What you will be having ma? That is 2y equal to 4 minus 3x. Y equal to divide by 2 table. You will be getting same one now. So by 2 means 2 here, 3 by 2 of x. So this is equal to same. Now check it. Here first I have converted into y equal to mx plus c form. So y equal to mx plus c. C is the constant here. Minus 12 will become plus 12. Then 6y equal to 12 minus 9x. I had written like this. And divide by 3 table. 3 table. You will be getting 2y equal to 4 minus 3x. Again here don't want the coefficient of y. Take to the division. So 2 by 2. Here 4 by 2 I am getting 2. And here unable to divide because it is a odd number. So 3 by 2 of x. Now you see here they have given the equation in different form. But we are getting the standard form as same. Am I correct? Well, you are converting into standard form. You are getting the same answer. But the presentation of the straight line is in, it is given in different forms only. Here they have differ only in the form of the equation. That is format only they are different. But their standard form is same. Understand? So no need to make 2 tables. Only if we draw only one table, we can able to make the straight line. And this will be what form? It will be, that is the 2 straight lines will be a coinciding line. Okay, we will see in the graph now. Before that, you substitute the values for x. Then we will make the table now. Okay, ma. Thank you. Okay, now for 2 equation, 3x plus 2 equal to 4, 9x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. We are getting what is the general equation, ma? Y equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 of x. Now we are going to get the table values. First, x is equal to minus 2. I am substituting. So y equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 into minus 2. So okay. So here we are having 2 in the denominator. So better you choose x value as a 2 table. X values எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணுங்க 2 tables எடுத்துங்க உங்களுக்கு cancellation ஈஸியா இருக்கும். மிஸ் இங்க -2 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இப்போ -2 எடுக்கும்போது y value என்ன வருது 5. x is equal to 0. 0 எடுக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும் இந்த term full 0 ஆயிடும். x is equal to 2, y equal to 2. Next x is equal to 2 எடுத்துக்க +2. அப்போ y equal to I am getting -1. And x is equal to 4 now y equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 of 4. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are minus 6, y equal to minus 4. Then if you substitute x is equal to 6, y equal to minus 7 you are getting. You do it and see. Okay. Now we are going to make the tabular column. First you substitute and do the values. Next tabular column. Okay. What is the table value ma? Now I got minus 2 means y equal to 5. 0, 2. X is equal to 2 means y equal to minus 1. And 4 equal to minus 4. 6 means minus 7 I got. This is the general equation for y equal to. Edukana equation in the rend solution kana equation. That is y equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 of x அப்படிங்கிற common equation கான table இது. Next நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இதுக்கான graph போடலாம். Okay. Thank you ma. Now the graph for second sum. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. 9x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Scalar. X-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. And here this horizontal one is x-axis, vertical one is y-axis. I have taken 1 unit only. Okay. Now, first what is the point for both equation? For x is equal to minus 2, y equal to 5. Inga x minus 2, inga 5. Next, x வந்து 0 இருக்கும்போது y வந்து 2. 0, 2. Next, x is equal to positive means y equal to minus 1. இந்த point ரெண்டுமே எங்க மீட் பண்ணோம்? x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. So, இந்த pointல. Okay, ஒரு dot வச்சு round பண்ணிடுங்க. Next, 4, minus 4. X axis 4, y axis minus 4. So, இந்த placeல move பண்ணோம். Next, x is equal to 6. 6, y equal to minus 7. Intersecting point. So, இந்த pointல நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஒரு dot வச்சு round பண்ணிட்டு join பண்ணி பாருங்க. You are getting a straight line. அப்ப ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் நமக்கு same straight line தான் வந்துருச்சு. ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் ஒரே equation தான். So, AB யும் CD யும் இங்கே தான் இருக்கு. அப்படின்னு எழுதிட்டீங்க. So, இப்போ இது என்ன சிஸ்டமா இருக்கும்? It is a coinciding line. Therefore, infinitely many solution. What is the name of the system? Consistent system. Understand? We have to say 3 answers. Here we are getting a coinciding line. Therefore, it has infinite number of solution. And finally, this system is what system? Consistent system. Okay, children? Do you understand? Okay, very good. Thank you, ma. Next sum. Okay, exercise 3.10, second Roman third sum. X by 2 plus y by 4 equal to 1. And here x by 2 plus y by 4 equal to 2. Okay, so presentation பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சேமா இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. But the constant value மட்டும் இங்க என்ன ஆகுது? Differ ஆகுது. First நம்ம என்ன ஃபார்முக்கு கொண்டு வரணும்? Yes, we have to convert into standard form. So first you take the LCM of this one. What is the LCM of these two numbers for? For 2, 4, what is the LCM? 4. Okay, now here 4 by 2, we are getting what? This is a basic thing. So LCM is 2, 4. What is the LCM of 2, 4? 4. Now 4 divided by this 2. You are getting 2. So here 2 into x plus 4 by 4, 1. So y into 1 is equal to 1 now. Okay, now what is the equation I am getting? 2 into x, 2x plus y by 4 equal to 1. Now multiply this 4 to that side, you are getting 2x plus y equal to 4. But we want the equation equal to in what form? Y equal to mx plus c. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus 2x. Understand? Here I am getting that y equal to 4 minus 2x. This is equation number 1. Next, go to next side. What you are getting here? Here also the LCM is what? Now 4. LCM 4 and 4 by 2, 2. So 2x plus 4 by 4, 1. So y into 1 equal to 2. Okay. Now here you are getting 2x plus y by 4 equal to 2. Take the 4 to RHS side. So you are getting 2x plus y equal to 8. Now I want y equal to mx plus c form. Therefore y equal to 8 minus 2x. This plus 2x comes to that side means you are getting minus 2x. So this is equation number 2. Now I got two linear equation. One is y equal to 4 minus 2x and another one is y equal to 8 minus 2x. Now we are going to find the table values for these two equations. Okay, thank you. Okay, now first equation y equal to 4 minus 2x a simplified equation. இதுதான் நமக்கு. Okay, when x is equal to 1 அப்ப என்ன ஆகும் 4 minus 2 into 1 அப்போ y equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Y equal to என்ன ஆகும் is 2 2s are 4. இந்த இடத்துல 4 minus 4. எப்படி 4 minus 4 இந்த பிளேஸ்ல 2 into 2 வரும். Okay, அப்போ 4 minus 4 y equal to 0. Then when x is equal to 3 y equal to 4 minus 2 into இந்த x placeல நீங்க போட்டு வரலாம். இது direct equation. உங்களுக்கு denominatorலாம் எதுவுமே கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? So 2 into 3 2 3s are 6. So y equal to minus 2. X is equal to 4. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும் 2 into 4 2 4s are என்ன ஆகும் 8. 4 minus 4 4 minus 8 minus 4. X is equal to 5 means இது உங்களுக்கு வீடியோல தெரியலனாலும் நீங்க வந்து போட்டுக்கங்க. ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா? So y equal to 4 minus 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 10. அப்போ 4 minus 10 நீங்க என்ன வரும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4 minus 10. அப்போ y value we are getting minus 6. Now for 5 points I have checked. So here I am writing the 5 points. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 x values y value. This is for table 1 for equation y equal to 4 minus 2x. 2 0 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Here I made a table. Now I am going to make the table for y equal to 8 minus 2x. Okay, so 8 minus 2x means x is equal to 1 means, so you will, when x is equal to 1 y minus 8 minus 2 into 1 ன்னு அர்த்தம் இங்க இல்லையா? So 2 ones are 2. அப்போ 8 minus 2 இங்க என்ன வரும் 6. Next when x is equal to 2 y equal to 8 minus 2 2s are 4. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும் 8 minus 4 4. Okay, x is equal to 3 means இந்த இடத்துல y equal to 8 minus 2 into 3 6. 8 minus 6 plus 2. 4 means I am getting 0 because 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. 5 means 8 minus 2 5s are 10. So 8 minus 10 y equal to minus 6. Here I made the second table. In between these two things I made the second table. Table 2 is the equation for y equal to 8 minus 2x. So x is equal to 1 means 6, 2 means 4, 3 means 2, 4 equal to 0, 4 means 0, 5 means minus 2 I am getting. So now you copy these values in your right hand side of your graph notebook and left hand side we are going to make the table. Just 2 minutes you copy, all of you. Take your notebook and copy ma. Okay children, here I made the graph for the third sum and this is the line for y equal to 4 minus 2x and this is the y equal to 8 minus 2x. Okay, so here also you make a x axis 1 centimeter 1 unit scale, y axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. So after plotting all the points I am getting two straight lines but they are parallel to each other. They are not intersecting, they are not coinciding. So what is the meaning? Parallel lines means these two graphs has what is the meaning? No solution. Since we are getting parallel lines, we are not having, here we are not getting the solution. So for this system there is no solution. That is simultaneous linear equation has no solution. So what type of system this is? Inconsistent system. Okay, so you know to make your tables. Okay, after plotting all the points you write the coordinate points. What are the points for 1 comma, here 1 comma 2, here 2 comma 0, and then here is a for 3 comma minus 2. Like that you have to write, and on the line you write the equation, which equation you have find out, and finally here you write on your RHS side, you write the two graphs are parallel, therefore we have no solution, therefore the system is called the inconsistent system. These are the things have to come in your graph. Okay, then only you can able to get the full mark. For 8 mark I think we have allotted for the test. Understand? Okay, so this is the way we have to think, do the 3 types of the lines. So from that exercise 3.10, in all the 3 sums we have discussed about what are the lines. First sum we got intersecting line, and second sum we got a coinciding line. Third sum we got parallel lines. All the type we have discussed. Then only 2 simple sums we are going to discuss. Okay, thank you ma. You follow everything. Thank you. Fourth sum, x minus y equal to 0 and y plus 3 equal to 0. So x minus y equal to 0 means what is the meaning? X is equal to y. That is, what are the values you are taking for x? Same value you are getting for y. X is equal to 1 means y equal to 1. Because x is equal to y, it is given. X is equal to 2 means y equal to 2. X is equal to 3 means y equal to 3. And here y plus 3 equal to 0 means you are getting y equal to minus 3. Okay, this is the equation of the line here. Y equal to minus 3 is one equation, and x is equal to y is another equation. Here directly in the board itself I made the graph. Just here scale you write x axis 1 centimeter 1 unit and y axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and y axis 1 centimeter equal to, you made in the graph ma, just I am do it in the board. Okay, 1 unit. As usual you make all the points here, up to 5 points I had made. Then 1 comma 1 means here x axis 1 means y axis 1. Here is the meeting point. 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5. Like that the straight line is going. And you make the line on this. This is AB you take. Okay, just for approximately I am doing. Then y equal to minus 3. You know that y equal to minus 3 is the line parallel to x axis, isn't it? Where is y equal to minus 3 is on y dash side, negative part of y axis is minus 3. Here below the line you are having. Okay, so here minus 3. You put the scale and draw the line. Because what is the equation of this line? This is the equation. It has the equation y equal to minus 3. The equation of the straight line is y equal to minus 3. And you extend this point. When here also you can make, when x is equal to minus 1 means y equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 2 means y equal to minus 2. Extend the line AB and you take this line as CD. What line as CD? Y equal to minus 3 as CD. Now where they are meeting ma? Here they will meet this point. What pointer? At minus 3 comma 3, the two straight lines are meeting. When x is equal to minus 3, you are getting y equal to minus 3. The two straight lines are meeting at the pointer minus 3 comma 3. Therefore, this is what you will be getting one single solution. One single solution. So, what type of system this is? Yes, very good. Consistent system. Okay, you can write the two straight lines are meeting at the point in your graph. RHS side you have to write the given two straight lines are meeting at the point minus 3 comma 3. Therefore, we have one single solution, and the system is what system? It is a consistent system. That's all the solution for this sum. Okay, but you have to do it in the graph side. Miss நீங்க போர்ட்ல போட்ட மாதிரி நாங்க போடுற நோட்லன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. நீங்க கிராஃப்ல தான் போடணும். ஓகேவா? வொர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுங்க. மிஸ் இதுலயே உங்களுக்கு சிம்பிள் சம் தான்ங்கறதால வொர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி காமிச்சிட்டேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்னொரு சம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களோட 6th சம் as usual அவங்க சொல்யூஷனே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. 6th sum என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? X is equal to minus 3, then y equal to also what? Minus 3, y equal to 3. இதே மாதிரி நீங்க x is equal to minus 3 என்னும்போது ஈக்குவேஷன் இப்படி வருமா? லைனா ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைனா வரும். y equal to 3ங்கற கிராஃப் இந்த இடத்துல மீட் பண்ணும். எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல மீட் பண்ண போகுது? அதே தான் அவங்க ஆன்சர் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. minus 3, 3ல இந்த பிளேஸ்ல தான் மீட் பண்ணும். x is equal to minus 3 எங்க இருக்கு? இதுக்கு நேரா ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் வரும். x is equal to minus 3 அப்படிங்கிறது எந்த லைனுக்கு parallel? இது அடுத்த சம் மிஸ் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்குது 6th சம். எதுக்கு parallel இருக்கும்? y axisக்கு parallel இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் y equal to 3ங்கற லைன் எங்க வரும்? இந்த பிளேஸ்ல வரும். ஓகேவா? சோ அதனோட மீட்டிங் பாயிண்ட் என்ன? minus 3, 3. இதனோட சொல்யூஷன் என்னது? minus 3, 3. என்ன சம்? 6th sum. So it also has a single solution. It is also what system? Consistent system. The two straight lines are meeting at the point minus 3, 3. ஸோ நீங்கள் பெரிய பிள்ளைங்க தான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும் மிஸ் சொல்லியிருக்கிறது. ஸோ ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? தேங்க்யூ. இன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு சம் இருக்குது, அது மட்டும் முடிச்சிடலாம். தேங்க்யூ. வச்சிருக்கேன். ஓகே 6 சம்முக்கு செப்பரேட்டாகவும் மிஸ் போட்டிருக்கேன் பாருங்க. ஓகே this is the line for x is equal to -3 and this is the line for y equal to 3. equation of the line y equal to 3 ங்கிறது x axis க்கு parallel இருக்கும். x is equal to -3 ங்கிறது y axis க்கு parallel இருக்கும். சோ அது ரெண்டு எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல மீட் பண்ணுது? -3, 3. அப்ப இதோட சொல்யூஷன் என்னது? -3, 3 single solution consistent system. They are meeting at a single point. These two lines are what lines? Intersecting lines. So இது மிஸ் உங்களுக்கு புரியல நினைப்பீங்க, அதனால திரும்ப மிஸ் போட்டுட்டேன். Thank you வா. ஸோ இதோட இந்த வீக் கிளாஸ் முடிச்சிருது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் நம்ம கோஆர்டினேட் ஜியோமெட்ரியும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். இந்த எக்ஸசைஸோட கோஆர்டினேட் ஜியோமெட்ரியும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக். தேங்க்யூ சில்ட்ரன். தேங்க்யூ. காட் பிளஸ் யூ.